To log into the EveryDollar envelope system, follow these simple steps. First, go to the EveryDollar website and click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and password that you used to create your account. If you are using a mobile device, you can also download the EveryDollar app and log in from there. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. You will receive an email with instructions on how to create a new password. After logging in, you will be taken to your dashboard where you can view your budget and manage your envelope system. The envelope system is a way of allocating funds to different categories, such as housing, transportation, and entertainment. You can create and manage your envelopes by clicking on the Envelopes tab and then adding or editing envelopes as needed. To add a new envelope, simply click on the Add Envelope button and enter the name and amount for the envelope. You can also set a budget goal for each envelope and track your progress. EveryDollar also allows you to connect your bank accounts and track your spending, making it easier to stick to your budget. Best practices for using the EveryDollar envelope system include regularly reviewing and updating your budget, tracking your spending, and making adjustments as needed. It is also important to prioritize your envelopes and allocate funds accordingly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the EveryDollar envelope system to manage your finances and achieve your financial goals.